Good afternoon, class. Today we went over coordinating conjunctions and the three main ones. I'm putting together this little refresher to when you go home and do some practice work, and then we can I'll come back tomorrow and discuss and let me know if you guys had any questions, and we will be practicing it some more. So just a reminder, the definition for a coordinating conjunction, they help us put together words or sentences by using and, or, and, but. So here you go. Here's and, or, and, but. So let's start off with and remember, we've already learned this in class, but I'm going over it again to help you guys with the three activities that I'm going to be having you do in just a little minute. So, and adds information or one thing to another. So here's an example. I like dogs and cats. So you like both, not necessarily just one or the other, but you like both. So for the homework, I would like you guys to combine the below sentences with and please don't forget the comma. So column 1, you have one part of the sentence, and column 2, you have the second part of the sentence. In column 3, you're going to be combining the sentences with and the comma. Don't forget the comma. So after you complete this activity, we're going to move on to the next coordinating conjunction, which is or. So or offers a choice. So would you like ice cream or would you like pie? So you have to choose between ice cream or pie. So for the directions for using or, we are going to do just a drag and drop. So if you can drop or onto the sentence onto the left, and there's only 3 sentences, and you're just going to place or in the sentence. And we're going to, after you're done doing that, I'm going to have you do one more activity, and that is going to be using but. But contradicts or shows something unexpected. So the example that we have here, it's let's go to the park, but first wash your hands. So before we can go to the park, you have to wash your hands. That's showing something that you would have to do first before we can go to the park. So for the activity to use but is I'm going just to have you fill in the word but where it's missing in the sentences. And then after that, you'll be done, and then we will go over everything tomorrow in class as a group. And if you have any more questions, that'll be the time to ask. You can also, I'll be on for a little minute. You can send me a message. I can help you if you need help. But this is all a refresher of what we went over this afternoon in class. So I just want to have you practice, because tomorrow we will be having a test on these, or a little quiz, just to make sure everybody's on the same page and that we all know what coordinating conjunctions do and why we use them. So I hope you guys have a good rest of the day. Like I said, if you have any questions, please feel free to contact me. I'll be available during my office hours. All right, see you guys tomorrow.